Have you noticed those little blue gems popping up at the grocery store lately? It's blueberry season. These tiny blue powerhouses aren't just delicious, they are incredibly good for you. Keep reading to find out why you need to be eating blueberries every single day. Blueberries may be small, but they pack a big nutritional punch. Ounce for ounce, they contain more antioxidants than almost any other fruit or vegetable. These antioxidants give blueberries a long list of scientifically proven health benefits. Keep reading to find out what makes blueberries a true superfood. Antioxidants are important because they help neutralize harmful free radicals in your body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage your cells and lead to inflammation, aging, and diseases like cancer. The antioxidants in blueberries mop up these free radicals before they can cause harm. One group of antioxidants found abundantly in blueberries are anthocyanins. Studies show that anthocyanins protect your brain, reduce your risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure and inflammation, and may even help prevent cancer. The more anthocyanins you eat, the better. In addition to anthocyanins, blueberries also contain other polyphenols with antioxidant powers. These include flavonols like quercetin and tannins like gallic acid. Plus, blueberries are high in vitamin C, another potent antioxidant. Vitamin C supports immune function and helps produce collagen for healthy skin. Some research suggests that the diverse mixture of antioxidants in blueberries provides greater health benefits than any single antioxidant on its own. This synergistic effect is likely responsible for the extensive list of ways blueberries promote good health. Ready to learn all the amazing things those little blue superheroes can do for you? Here are 7 science-backed benefits of adding blueberries to your diet. 1. Boost brain health. Studies show that eating blueberries regularly can slow age-related cognitive decline and may even improve memory. The anthocyanins in blueberries stimulate the creation of new brain cells and strengthen existing ones. They also enhance communication between brain cells to support better learning and memory. 2. Reduce risk of heart disease. The anthocyanins and other antioxidants in blueberries lower inflammation, keep arteries flexible and resilient, decrease bad LDL cholesterol, and reduce damage to blood vessels. This adds up to a lower risk of cardiovascular disease. 3. Lower blood pressure. Blueberries help blood vessels relax to reduce blood pressure. Eating them daily helps manage hypertension. 4. Control blood sugar. Despite their sweet taste, blueberries have a low glycemic index. They help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a smart choice for people with diabetes. 5. Support digestion. Fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants in blueberries promote good digestion and gut health. They might even help protect against colon cancer. 6. Improve skin health. Vitamin C helps build collagen and prevent skin damage that leads to wrinkles and spots. The antioxidants in blueberries also deter effects of sun exposure, pollution, and smoke that accelerate skin aging. 7. Reduce muscle damage and accelerate recovery. The antioxidants in blueberries reduce inflammation from exercise. This speeds up muscle repair so you bounce back faster. Athletes benefit from eating blueberries before and after training. As you can see, adding just 1 cup of blueberries a day can make a big difference. There's no better way to get these benefits than eating fresh, seasonal blueberries. They are delicious in fruit salads, smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, and baked goods. You can also enjoy frozen blueberries out of season. So next time you see plump, purple blueberries in the produce aisle, load up. Your body will thank you for the bounty of antioxidants and nutrients found in this true superfood. Now that you know why blueberries are so good for you, are you ready to start eating them every day? Keep reading for tips on buying, storing, and enjoying fresh blueberries at their antioxidant best. To get the full health benefits described here, be sure you are eating fresh, ripe blueberries. Proper storage is important too. Here are some tips. Look for plump, firm blueberries with a dusty blue color. Size doesn't affect flavor or nutrition. Avoid shriveled or moldy berries. Refrigerate promptly and wash just before eating. Store fresh blueberries loosely packed in a shallow container in the fridge. Don't wash until ready to eat. For maximum nutrition, allow blueberries to come to room temperature before enjoying. Fresh blueberries last about 1–2 weeks in the fridge. You can also freeze them. Toss fresh blueberries in yogurt or oatmeal. Use to top pancakes, waffles, or French toast. Blend blueberries into smoothies, juices, or protein shakes. Mix blueberries into muffin, bread, cake, crisp, or pie recipes. They work great in both sweet and savory dishes. For a healthy dessert, eat a bowl of fresh blueberries drizzled with dark chocolate. Now that you know all about the health superpowers of blueberries, are you ready to make them a part of your daily diet? Eating just 1 cup of fresh blueberries every day can make a significant difference in your overall health and well-being. Promise me you'll take this advice to heart and visit the produce aisle soon. Your mind, body, skin, heart, and even your digestion will thank you. To sum it all up, eating fresh, seasonal blueberries is one of the best things you can do for your health. Let those colorful little superheroes work their antioxidant magic so you can live your healthiest, happiest life. So what are you waiting for? I challenge you to start the Eat Blueberries Every Day challenge. Your future self will feel so much better thanks to the compounds in this true superfood. Let me know in the comments if you're up for the challenge. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this post if you learned something new. Stay happy and healthy, friends. Disclaimer: this article provides general information and discussion about health, fitness, and related topics. The words here are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Do not use the information in this article to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease without consulting your healthcare provider. Consult your physician before beginning any new health program.